Hello everyone, Jason Gibson here with Opti-Coat with your Optimum tip of the week.
This week's tip, I'm going to show you how to clean your wheels with Power Clean and Optimum No Rinse. We're going to be using the rest of the solution of no rinse that we had left over from cleaning the vehicle, because we don't want to throw it or waste it, because we can reuse it and that's water saving and we're all about that. So first we're going to spray Power Clean to the tire and a little bit on the wheel, and while we're at it we'll spray some in the inner fender well as well. We're going to use our Optimum wheel and tire brush. We're going to agitate the wheel, letting the Power Clean do its magic, and let the O&R do its job, as always, of emulsifying, encapsulating, and break down the dirt. We're going to dip the brush ever so often into the solution, rinsing it out, cleaning the wheels again to make sure we have complete coverage, and then we're getting a nice clean wheel. And then we're going to proceed to cleaning the tire. Apply the wheel and tire brush to the tire. And you can just see the nasty dirt blooming and browning coming off of the tire. Again, rinsing the brush every so often, reapplying it to the wheel, and then proceed on to the inner fender well. Agitate the brush into the inner fender well, cleaning it, back into our solution to clean the brush out. Then we're just simply going to follow with the clean, dry microfiber towel and wipe the wheel clean. Then we'll proceed onto the tire, wiping it clean, and then onto our inner fender well. So there you have it, a quick, easy tip to help clean your wheels with Power Clean and Optimum No Rinse. So stay tuned for more helpful tips, and until next time, have an optimum day.
Optimum tip of the week.